Hello folks, this is New York City in Queens, and I am recording a snowstorm which will continue, which began last night, Tuesday evening, and will continue tonight. Wednesday evening. The snow is now about 4 inches deep, and some folks are enjoying it, although it's very cold. But some folks are enjoying it, like this child and maybe his brother, elder brother, or father or uncle or a friend. But here they are enjoying the snow. Yes, it's really very funny. But although it's very cold, some people like the snow. Look at the tree. It has a layer of snow on the upper side of the branches, and the rooftops are full of snow. Some roofs cave in because of the weight of the snow. Okay, look at the cars. They are all covered with snow. Several inches of snow, and there are some folks walking by, going to work, going to the store, buying things. Look at the branches being blown by the wind. It's really, the wind is really strong. And look at again the passers-by. They are really covered with thick layers of clothing. Okay, I'm gonna go inside now because it's very cold. Thank you.